If you want to buy the best blender for soup, then you're in the right place. Out of all the different soup blenders on the market, I've narrowed down the best options to a top 5 list. Let's see which products made the cut. Links to each soup blender are in the description box below. You'll find this KitchenAid hand blender to be the perfect kitchen companion for creating silky, smooth soups directly in your pot with minimal cleanup and maximum convenience. The KitchenAid Immersion blender stands out with its powerful motor and 4-point stainless steel blade design. This combination effortlessly transforms chunky vegetable soups into velvety purees right in your cooking pot. The variable speed trigger allows you to start slowly to avoid splashes, then increase power as needed for different textures. What makes this hand blender particularly soup-friendly is the included pan guard. This patented feature protects your favorite cookware from scratches while you're blending directly in the pot. Many users specifically mention how this thoughtful addition has preserved their non-stick surfaces. Weighing just 2.44 pounds, you can comfortably hold and maneuver this blender even when preparing larger batches of soup. The ergonomic design helps prevent hand fatigue during extended blending sessions. The included 3-cup BPA-free blending jar proves handy for smaller batches or when you want to blend ingredients separately. With its tight-fitting lid, you can even prepare and store components in advance. This versatility makes the blender suitable for everything from quick lunch soups to more elaborate dinner preparations. Cleanup couldn't be easier with this model. The removable blending arm detaches with a simple twist and can go straight into the dishwasher. This feature alone saves significant time compared to traditional blenders where you'd need to transfer hot soup to a separate container and then wash multiple parts. Next up on my best soup blender is the Ninja Foodi Heat IQ blender, which is worth every penny for soup lovers who want the versatility of both cold and hot blending in one powerful machine. This versatile kitchen powerhouse sets itself apart with its unique heating element that allows you to both blend and cook in the same container. You can create velvety smooth soups from raw ingredients in minutes, with the 800-watt heating element bringing ingredients to a boil, and the powerful blades transforming chunky vegetables into silky perfection. The convenience of creating a complete soup in one appliance without transferring between pots and blenders is a game changer for busy home cooks. The 64-ounce glass pitcher features a non-stick coating that prevents food from sticking during cooking and makes cleanup much easier. After finishing your soup, the self-cleaning function heats water and dish soap to tackle tough residue without manual scrubbing. The included tamper helps push down stubborn ingredients while blending thick mixtures, ensuring consistently smooth results every time. Beyond soups, this multifunctional blender excels at smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutrient extractions thanks to its 1,400 peak watt motor. The 12 preset Auto IQ programs take the guesswork out of blending, offering specialized cycles for everything from frozen margaritas to hot fondue. Simply select your desired program and let the blender handle the rest with precisely timed pulses, blends, and heating cycles. What makes this blender particularly valuable is its ability to unlock flavors through heat. You can infuse waters with fruits and herbs, craft exceptional cocktail mixers, or create homemade sauces with developed flavors that typically require stovetop cooking. The temperature control allows for gentle heating that's perfect for melting chocolate or cheese without scorching. For anyone serious about soup making who wants restaurant quality results at home, this blender delivers exceptional performance and convenience. If you're looking for the best immersion blender for soup, then this Swiss-made immersion blender from Bamix is a great pick, although it certainly is priced at a premium. The Bamix Master Chef stands out in a world of cheaply made immersion blenders with its Swiss engineering and durable construction. You'll immediately notice how the 19.5-inch design feels substantial in your hand while maintaining an ergonomic grip. The 2-speed motor, 10,000 and 14,000 revolutions per minute, creates enough power to handle thick soups and purees with minimal effort. What sets this blender apart is its versatility through 3 specialized blades. You can switch between aerating, blending, and chopping attachments depending on what your soup requires. This means you're effectively getting multiple kitchen tools in one device, which helps justify the premium price tag. Heat resistance is a crucial feature when making soups, and the Bamix delivers impressively in this area. The blender shaft can be submerged in boiling liquids without damage, allowing you to blend directly in hot pots. This eliminates the messy and potentially dangerous process of transferring hot liquids to a traditional blender. Ultimately, while the Bamix includes professional features that serious cooks will appreciate, casual users might find the price hard to justify. If you're looking for the best blender for soup that can create steaming hot soup from raw ingredients in minutes, then the Vitamix E310 Explorian is the perfect investment for serious soup makers who want restaurant-quality results at home, with enough power to transform even the toughest ingredients into silky, smooth soups. This professional-grade blender makes soup preparation incredibly straightforward. You can start with raw vegetables and end with perfectly smooth or deliberately chunky soups depending on your preference. The variable speed control gives you the flexibility to adjust textures precisely. Use lower speeds for chunky vegetable soups or higher speeds for velvety purees. What sets the Vitamix apart for soup making is its ability to create hot soups through friction. The powerful motor and blade design create enough friction during blending that cold ingredients can actually heat up to steaming temperatures in about 6 minutes. This feature eliminates the need to transfer your blended soup to a pot for heating, saving you time and additional dishes. The hardened stainless steel blades are built to last and can handle tough root vegetables like carrots and beets without struggling. When you're making hearty winter soups with fibrous ingredients, the included tamper helps push ingredients toward the blades without having to stop the machine. This design feature ensures everything blends evenly without having to constantly pause the blending process. Cleanup is remarkably simple when you're finished making your soup. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, run the machine for 30 to 60 seconds, and it essentially cleans itself. This self-cleaning capability is especially valuable after making thick, creamy soups that might otherwise be difficult to clean from conventional blenders. Made in the USA with a 5-year warranty, the Vitamix represents quality that lasts. While it requires a bigger initial investment than budget blenders, you're getting a machine that can handle daily use for years. If you're looking for the best immersion blender for soup, then you should absolutely invest in this Vitamix immersion blender because it makes velvety soups with restaurant quality texture and minimal cleanup. The Vitamix name carries weight in the blending world, and their immersion blender lives up to the reputation. With 625 watts of power packed into a handheld device, this tool transforms chunky vegetable mixtures into silky soups without transferring hot liquids to a countertop blender. The 4-prong blade design creates a vortex that pulls ingredients toward the blades for more consistent results. What sets this blender apart is the thoughtful design for serious soup makers. The 5 variable speeds let you start slow to prevent splattering, then ramp up for final texture perfection. You can blend directly in your cooking pot, and the blade guard is designed to prevent scratching your cookware. This feature alone makes it invaluable for protecting your favorite soup pots. Comfort matters when you're blending large batches, and Vitamix clearly considered this in their design. The ergonomic grip works equally well for right or left-handed cooks, while the intuitive controls allow you to adjust speeds with your thumb without interrupting your blending. The 3-inch minimum container opening requirement means it works with most standard cookware and measuring vessels. The included whisk attachment transforms this soup specialist into a multi-purpose kitchen tool. Whipped cream, beat eggs, or emulsify sauces with the same powerful motor base. When finished, the custom storage case keeps all components organized and protected. Many users report replacing multiple kitchen gadgets with this single versatile system. Durability justifies the investment for frequent soup makers. The stainless steel construction and BPA-free components withstand regular use, while Vitamix backs it with a 3-year warranty covering parts, labor, and shipping both ways. For those who make soups weekly or more, this Immersion blender's performance and longevity make it worth the premium price compared to budget options that might need replacing every year or two. And with that said, I really hope my video helped you to pick the best soup blender for you. Again, the links to each of these products are at the top of the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.